We're about to go on our second OneTrip tour, this time in Hoi An, doing the food tour. We're gonna go to 5 to 7 spots and we're gonna be riding motorcycles. We'll see how it goes. Yesterday's trip to Minh was very good, so expectations are pretty high. I'm hungry. Let's go.
This will include 2 parts. Yeah. Inside the West rice noodle.
Okay.
And outside grilled rice paper.
Okay.
Yeah. And the name of it is smashing cake.
Smashing
right? So all we have to do before we eat is one, as strong as you can, stronger.
We're at the banh mi stop now. This is day 10. We are heading to Ho Chi Minh City, Saigon right now for a couple days, just to do a historic tour and a food tour, and then after that we're gonna be off to the Philippines. We're just waiting for a flight now, but it should be fun.
Food store in Vietnam, they always give you a free iced tea like this.
Okay. Thanks.
This one. You saw that? So if you want a hairstyle, you don't have to go to a salon. Just stay closer like this and waiting for the ringing.
Yes. Oh, electrocution.
And from there, if you pump like this and your hair is just going up.
Just wanna dance, want a simple romance, nothing more, nothing less from you. Just stay the night, then you leave when it's like nothing wrong, it's alright with you. No ties, no pride.